Guys, welcome to Ethi's kitchen. Today we are making porridge Irish. As you can see, we'll be needing yam, we'll be needing tomatoes and onion, smoked fish, pepper, seasoning cube, crayfish and white pepper. We'll equally be needing salt, and we'll slice our tomatoes and onion. Then we just pour everything into the yam. As you can see, I've poured onion, tomatoes, crayfish, the seasoning cube, salt. I'll be adding my pepper. After the pepper, I'm going to add the smoked fish. You can still do it with meat, it depends on you. I just wanted something to eat after work, so that's what I made, and I'm making it with red oil. I'll add my red oil and cover it and allow it to cook for just 15 to 20 minutes and it will be ready. That's how easy this food is. So you can do it anytime when you're lazy to cook and you're going to enjoy your meal. If you've already cooked your meat and everything, it's not going to take you time. So I'll allow it to cook. I'll be checking from time to time, and that is the result. As you can see, it's changing already. It's turning into something nice and beautiful. All I like is tasty. Getting ready, guys. And mix it well and make sure everything is good. Then I'll close it for the last time. When I'm opening it, the food is ready to serve. That's it. Hope you like my easy porridge yam. Hope you enjoy it. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Equally drop a message in the chat box or in the description box on how you do your porridge. I just want to taste it and it's delicious. Wow, I enjoy it. It was simple and I can eat and go to bed for the evening. I'm happy. Please don't forget to like, comment and share my videos, and see you on the next one. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye.